Welcome back, guys. I wanted to share some lunch inspiration with you and show you what I packed for my daughter in her school lunch. I always pack super easy stuff on Mondays. Okay guys, so Monday's lunch. We have a couple of peanut butter and jellies, some pretzels, some grapes, some mini chocolate chips, and some cucumbers for breakfast or snack or because she kind of takes her time eating. We have some of the cinnamon toast churros. These are really good, guys. And some grapes. And then she's always got her almond milk and her water canteen. My daughter is allergic to dairy, so all of these lunches are dairy-free. This is my daughter's Bentgo box. I bought it online and I love it because I can put liquids in it and it keeps it separated, and the tray is reheatable, so it's microwavable, and it fits right inside the regular little soft-sided lunch boxes. This is my daughter's favorite meal. Okay guys, so it's Tuesday and today we have breakfast for lunch. So we're doing some of these Vans gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free waffles. Got some grapes, some syrup, some ham, and some eggs. Then for a snack, she's got some pretzels and some peanut butter, and she's got her water canteen and her almond milk. Here we've got some tortilla chips, some vegetables, some chicken, some mini chocolate chips, and some cucumber with some tahini. And this is an almond chocolate granola bar from Trader Joe's and some puffed wheat snacks, and her almond milk and her water canteen. We have some mini tater tots, some protein balls, some ketchup, some chicken nuggets, and some mango with some tahini. Then there's apples and a peanut butter and her almond milk and her water canteen. Here we have some Ritz-like crackers, some turkey pepperoni, some ham, some mini chocolate chips, some applesauce, some pretzels, some peanut butter, her almond milk, and her water canteen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want me to make more videos like this, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and I'll know to do some more lunch videos.